You are watching OCS News. Clear skies today in the morning with slight wind. Temperatures up to 32 degrees Celsius. In the afternoon we got some clouds in the sky. And 31 degrees Celsius. During the evening around 6 o'clock the sky will be covered in clouds with risk of heavy rainfall. Temperature takes a dramatic change to 12 degrees Celsius.
This message is being broadcast by the request of the National Weather Service. This is not a test. There is going to be a severe thunderstorm at roughly 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Citizens are advised to seek shelter immediately and lock all doors and windows. Please stay tuned to our updates. This message is being broadcast by the request of civil authorities. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. There has been an estimated 14 missing persons reports within the last 6 minutes. For an unknown reason, however there may be a lead. We will keep you updated.
Reservation?
Oh yeah, I'm with those two.
This club is for couples only.
It's what?
No date, no reservation, no entry.
You know?
This message is being broadcast by the request of civil authorities. There has been a possible lead for the disappearances. There has been reports of a tall man on red, puffy hair, large microphone, fake deer-like antlers and a monocle. Any and all video recordings of said man distort and glitch out. This is the clearest photo we have of the man. Whenever there is an audio recording of the said man, the audio glitches out too. The man has a quote-unquote 30s-like voice from reporters. Here is a sample of the man speaking and distorting audio. Warning, loud noises will play.
Dear, if I wanted to hurt anyone here, I would have done so already.
Despite not having any clear photos of the man, I seems to have drawn an accurate representation of the man. According to people who have witnessed him as seen below, as of now, it is recommended that all citizens remain indoors and do not go outside.